Hey everybody, we're back in Sango Cemetery here in Clarksville, Tennessee. I'm going to do a little cleaning on the marker, the headstone of my great-great-great-granduncle, the Reverend George W. Brown. He was born in 1831. He passed away in 1881. The headstone's in pretty good shape. But we're going to try to just get it looking a little nicer. Using a plastic scraper. It's been a long time since this one's been cleaned. We'll do what we can today and come back at some point and check it out. There's a lot of Browns buried here. Of course, my great-great-great-great-grandfather, the Reverend Allen E. Brown's right just a few spots down. We cleaned on his, I don't know, a couple of months ago maybe. It's looking much better. Still needs a little work. It's been a gloomy morning here, but it does appear the sun is trying to prevail. Judy's wandering around here. Back a little bit. Hopefully the sound's okay. I left my connection at home for the mics. But that's okay. We got the D2 here. This is what does most of the work. We could spray it and leave it, and it would come out looking pretty good over time, but just not very patient. Grab a little brush here. I think it's going to come out real nice looking. And scrubbing this, it's like a satisfying kind of deal. I don't know if he served in the war between the states. He may have. He would have been, I think, 29 or 30 when the war broke out. George Brown is a pretty common name. So when you look it up in the records, and sometimes it's hard to be sure whether you're George Brown is the one in a certain unit of a certain army or not. This stuff will get on you if you brush. If you're not careful which direction you brush and where you're standing. This area we're in, between here and Hickory Point and to the river, the Cumberland River, is just full of my ancestors. You got the Browns here, the Bagwells were close by, Monktons, Adkins, Councils. Put a little water on it. You'll see some brown funk coming off of here. But it's going to take a while for it to get to the point we are looking for. You can already read it better. D2. Come off of here. A little bit on the back. Put that there. Look down here. The back's probably a little funkier than in the front. But it'll all come quick. Water. We'll rinse it off, then coat it with some more D2, and come back in a few weeks. Right. be too. Need to fill this thing up. Right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and clean his wife's. But we'll end this video. We'll come back in a few weeks. And it should be looking pretty good. Once again, this is my great-great-great-grand uncle, the Reverend George W. Brown. We'll catch y'all next time.